Hello everyone and welcome to this presentation. Energy security of India in 2035, and can unconventional hydrocarbon be a game changer? Unconventional hydrocarbon are those which are not presently technologically easy and economically viable to put them into production. First is oil shale. This is an unmatured hydrocarbon which is present as solid in sand. Latest technology like fracking in situ conversion process are used, which reduces usage of water substantially. Some deposits are found in Arunachal Pradesh, but their potential is yet to be estimated. It is important for India to find the frackable proportion and then put them into production. Other unconventional hydrocarbon is coal bed methane. Coal rock with a high content of plant material are the main source rocks for gases like methane gas. With growing demand and rising oil and gas prices, CBM is definitely a feasible alternative supplementary energy source. CBM is a remarkably clean fuel if utilized efficiently. It is of pipeline quality, hence can be fed directly to national pipeline grid without much treatment. Production of methane gas from coal bed would lead to demethanation of coal beds and avoidance of methane emission into the atmosphere, thus turning an environmental hazard into a clean energy resource. As the third largest producer in the world, India has got good prospects for commercial production of coal bed methane. Gas hydrates are crystalline solid, almost like ice, consisting of gas surrounded by water. Supplies of gas hydrates are plentiful in Krishna River and Godavari River basins in the state of Andhra Pradesh, along the southeastern coast of India. Kerala Konkan Basin in the west coast and Andaman offshore is also the potential location for gas hydrate. Gas hydrates are very important potential resources, and some believe that these exceed in magnitude the total known reserves of hydrocarbon. There are still two hurdles which will have to be overcome to make the production of these substances viable: the low energy density and the considerable input of energy needed to transform them from a solid into gas. Shale gas refers to natural gas that is trapped within shale formations. India has 7 shale basins, of which Cambay, Krishna Godavari, Kaveri and Damodar basins are most promising. What Indian government should do is to facilitate seismic surveys that can quickly delineate potential shale gas deposits and then invite bids for exploration. Indian companies should broaden their realm by acquiring shale gas abroad. According to a president's statement at Petrotech conference held in New Delhi just a month ago, apart from pricing and sourcing, R&D of new technologies is another area that requires special attention. The traditional oil majors can no longer feel complacent about extensive reserves, refineries, and distribution networks being their mainstay. As a matter of fact, today's winners are companies who have a grip on emerging new technologies. Many industry solutions are being provided by jointly funded research in universities. We need to build strong economic partnerships with other producing countries and their oil and gas industries to the mutual benefit of each other. We should seek to work together with other countries, especially those which are active in the oil and gas sector. So finally, unconventional hydrocarbon are those deposits which presently cannot be extracted economically due to currently low oil prices and inadequate technology. But they are not major cons, as technological innovation is something the oil and gas industry is good at. As these hydrocarbons are generally sedimentary formation, and therefore technology needed to extract one type could be useful for another. These resources will play a decisive role for the energy security of a country in 2035, when we would have enough hydrocarbon reserves and the required technology which would extract them economically. Thank you.